I came from Afghanistan by land. 19 days. I witnessed 20 people died. And the rest, God knows how many people dies every day.
From Iran. We across to Iran. Iran very dangerous.
Todo termina en tierra. La idea es que si una persona está en el agua, va a acabar en tierra, tanto en puerto como en una playa.
Con ese espíritu solidario, constructivo, con apertura de miras, vamos a tratar a esas personas como merecen, facilitando su desplazamiento a España, acogiéndolos y empleando los recursos necesarios para que se integren en nuestra sociedad, que es el último objetivo de una política responsable de asilo y de refugiados. Gracias.
They care about money. I think that. They don't care about the people here, how they live. They think that the people here, they are not cultured. They think that the people here, they are ignorance coming from desire to live here. They think that the people here, they are coming to live, and they will live in tent, and they are here live in tent, so it's okay. We are like them. We are like them. It's 6 years of war, and the people coming from there. And I have met here a lot of people. They are students in university, and they are cultured, and they are awesome. But the people don't want to see them.